I actually started coming up with a process to network in Europe. So what I started doing was writing all these cold emails and reaching out to God in the world, trying to find him or someone who wants to talk to, this nobody from the Midwest in the US that they never heard about, to kind of get some kind of info or, just a leg up on getting an internship somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
And I did that for a very long time and actually built an extensive network. I used Excel to track everything that I did, from calls, emails, network, everything.
How many people do you think you were reaching out to back then? Were you using LinkedIn back then?
I used everything. I used Facebook, LinkedIn. I used a platform called A Small World, which was kind of a social community. I literally networked everywhere. But LinkedIn probably was my let's call it bread and butter. And if I can remember correctly, I was for sure in 4 digits, so basically 2 to 2.5K of emails that I send out over probably 4 to 6 months.